So now we will talk about the socio-cultural elements or the socio-cultural things that play a very important role in development of a person. Up till now, all the approaches focused on the environmental and unconscious needs that were responsible for human behavior, whereas important elements like society and cultural were neglected. So what they are saying is that till now, all the approaches that were there, all the approaches that were made were only spoke about the environmental needs and how the unconscious needs leads to the development of person's behavior and leads to the development of human behavior. But important factors like society, like culture were neglected or were not looked upon for the development of person's behavior and or the development of person's personality. Nobody paid attention to these factors. This approach considers societal and cultural variables important for molding the human behavior. So what they say is that your society and your cultural elements, things that happen in your society, things that happen in your culture, plays a very important role in development of your human behavior. Let's say ki I have been brought up in a society, I have been brought up in a culture wherein wherein girls are protected a lot, where girls are not allowed to go out, where girls have to follow rules and regulations. Then obviously my behavior, my development of personality will be very shy. Okay, I'll not talk not much to people. I'll not go out alone at night. I'll try to stay inside the house. Things like that. Okay, so they are saying that society and culture also plays a very important role in development of human behavior. This approach holds the environment responsible for man's good and bad behavior. So what they are saying that the environment that we are brought up in, the society, the culture that we have been brought up in, plays a very important role in whether a man is a good person or whether a man is a bad person, or whether we have a good behavior or a bad behavior. For example, there is a boy, okay, and that boy from a very small age has been brought up in an environment wherein he sees that his father is beating up his mother. So when the boy grows up, the boy will feel that it's okay for me to hit my wife because the boy has seen the father hitting the mother. So obviously, so that behavior is a bad behavior. And why did this boy have a bad behavior? Because the environment, the atmosphere that the child was brought up in was such that said that you should hit your wife or you should hit your mother. For individuals' behavior, his socio-cultural beliefs, standard and positions are considered important as they play a very important and a responsible role. So they are saying that what things are responsible for the development of your personality or for development of your position is the belief that are there in the society and culture. What are the beliefs and traditions which are there? कि भाई काली बिल्ली road cross करो तो it's not a good sign. You have a belief that you should not comb your hair late at night. You should eat before 7 o'clock. So your development of your behavior depends on your beliefs that are there in the society, the beliefs that are there in the culture around, your standards. What kind of standards are there in society? What kind of standards are there in your culture? What position you hold in the society? What position you hold in the culture? Okay, and all these things play a very, very important role in development of your behavior and personality.